32 raised to the power 4 minus x, and 128 raised to the power x plus 4. There are a couple of different choices we have here in making this basis to be. That's a simple way to eliminate them and then make the exponent equals to each other and then solve for. What we do here is this. First of all, this 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. If you multiply 2 5 times by itself, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4, 4 times 2 gives us 8, 8 times 2 gives us 16, 16 times 2 gives us 32. So but when we count the number of 2's that we simplify to gives us this guy, I shouldn't forget that I have an exponent which has been there, which now will be a multiple in relationship with this 5. It will be a multiple in relationship with this 5. I'll have to open the parenthesis and then enter it 4 minus x. And then now at this stage, I will try to rewrite this in such a way I will have 2 again as a base, which will be 2 raised to the power 7. If you expand 2 raised to the power 7, it will give you 128, right? And then from this stage, we shouldn't forget that we have an exponent which will have to be a multiple to 7. So we open the bracket and then enter x plus 4. At this stage, to now cancel out the basis, since they are the same, I will now have 5 times 4 minus x. There are different approaches, please. And then 7 times x plus 4. If I distribute these guys to what I have in my parentheses in both axes, 5 times 4 gives me 20, and then I have plus times minus gives me minus 5 times x gives me 5x for this side, and 7 times x gives me 7x, and then my sign of plus times plus is plus. And now I'll multiply 7 times 4 gives me 28 side, so I'll add plus 5x to both sides, plus 5x to both sides, and I'll try to subtract 28 to both sides, minus 28. So that will eliminate this guy here, while here the 5 will eliminate. Minus 5x plus 5x gives me 0, plus 28 minus 28 gives me 0. I'm now left with, because 20 minus 28 gives me negative 8. It gives me minus 8 is said now to be equals to, I will now simplify. 7x plus 5x gives me 12x. I have 12x. It is a choice to work with what I am finding. I'm finding x, and x has a coefficient of 12, so I will divide both sides by 12. I know the 12s will cancel at this stage, so I do have minus 8 upon 12 to be equals to x. 4 here is 2 times, 4 here is 6 times, right? So 2 upon 6, negative 2 upon 6 is said to be equals to x, because 2 is a factor of 6. So we can now simplify better by saying 2 into itself 1 times, and then into 6 is 3 times, which is now equals to x. So x is equals to negative 1 upon 3, or negative 1 upon 3 is equals to x.